Okay, let's take a look at one of my 30 or so video integrated ebooks that can be viewed online or offline. We'll start by going into full screen mode, and they are viewed best on a computer and on a large screen. For instance, this is a 22-inch screen, and the size of the book is almost the same size as the A4 original book that I wrote in 1989. There we are, The Incredible Router, the most versatile tool in the workshop. Now this is a preview version, so it's quite brief, but it just gives you a taste of the book and how versatile the router is. So let's go back to the overview. Here we are. So we've got a nice neat navigation page here, so let's go to choosing a router, and straight away you've got it all laid out. You can of course view this on a mobile device, but it tends to view, I think, as a PDF file. So as I say, I think the best experience is on a computer. I do hope the computer isn't dead. I mean, you know, I'm at a desktop now, and it's so much nicer to have things laid out at a decent size. And also, of course, we've got a zoom facility here. Let's go through some of the features. First of all, the zoom facility. I double click on the screen, and so that really shows up the detail. And other features are, we've got table of contents, so we can go to cutters there. We've got up here, we've got a search facility. Let's enter the word jig. That's a kind of routing term. Of course, this is only the preview, but there are 5 pages found. And of course, the main version is 110 pages. It's got nearly 200 images. It's got a couple of videos. And because it's an online publication, I can update it at any time at no extra cost to you. So these ebooks, I mean, I don't know of any other woodworker or any other woodworking author using this format. Most online publications are quite text heavy. And of course, some of these ebooks have plans, quite detailed plans that I work out. I mean, I've spent 5 years developing 30 or so publications, a lot of time involved, and I just love presentation. To me, you know, the way to learn is if things are presented really clearly and attractively. It's rather like going in and to a restaurant and having a meal. You know, the presentation and the, you know, the ambience, even down to the quiet background music in a restaurant, is what helps you enjoy the meal. So when you're learning, especially woodwork, you know, why not enjoy the experience? At any rate, that's a short video, and here we are, the options of how to use publication. The fact that with this preview version you can share it, but with all the versions you can print out, you can download. There's a sound toggle switch, as I say, full screen and zoom, table of contents, and also thumbnails, so that you can flick down and see what page you want to go to. And the search facility, as I say, is really good. I mean, it's instant, and it will highlight in yellow any particular word that you search for. So there we are, the Incredible Router.